Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So ever since I started noodling, I've been looking for this coin. So every time I go through 50-cent coin rolls, I'm looking for one of these coins. Now, this is the 2010 upset 50-cent coin. So you can see there that it's rotated, and it's actually rotated to 30 degrees. So say two of these notches, it's would have been rotated at the time, and when it was minted. So this particular era coin, um, it's fairly rare, and it's certainly been extremely rare for me. My problem is I didn't find this. I actually bought this one, so I still haven't found one. But it's one that I couldn't pass up. It was going very cheap. Um, I managed to pay $45 for this through a Facebook group that included registered postage. So really, I probably got it for around the $40 excluding postage. These things sell for around $80 each. So this is one you certainly want to try and find. My feeling is that they're found in the areas that they were originally released in. So I feel like more people are sort of finding these in New South Wales and Queensland. But yeah, be curious to know if you found one of these and what part of the country you found it. But yeah, this is one of those ones that I've always wanted to own, and I've always wanted to do a video on, but couldn't because I didn't actually own one. So I have mentioned this a number of times when I've been noodling, but yes, I've never found one. So I'll still continue to try and find one. But I just wanted to give you or have this opportunity to show you this coin, and if you're unaware of it, make sure you're rotating each of the 50-cent coins as you crack them out of the roll. Make sure you rotate them. It's very important. You don't know what you're going to find. So this is on the 2010. They're all rotated to the same degree. So two sides round. So 30 degrees. So that's another one to keep an eye out and write it in your book if you're unaware of it. And best of luck finding one. Alright guys, that's all for today. Just a really quick one. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure you do so. Plenty of good content already on the channel. Make sure you check out some of the other videos. Plenty to look at and learn from. And all the best with your noodling. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I look forward to bringing another video to you soon.